Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, go to Device Manager, open it, then we need to expand the network adapters. Right click on the particular connection driver, select properties and go to drivers tab. Now click on update driver and then select the first option. If this not work, then just go back and select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select the model, click on next, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one, then go to control panel. Now select view by as category, then click on network and internet, select network and sharing center and select connections. Now go to properties and open internet protocol version 4, select internet protocol version 4, that is IPv4, and open the properties. As you can see on my window, you need to set the DNS server address 88888844. Now click on OK, close all windows one by one, and still not work, then just go to search bar, type cmd, then right click on it and open run as administrator, select S, and we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space /renew, and we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Then we will gonna execute the last command, that will be netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Once done, it's showing that restart the computer to complete the action. So simply type exit and restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.